Good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in our lecture series. In our lecture series, mathematical physics belongs to your core paper 5, and we are discussing now uh, the Legendre differential equation, and this is our lecture number 38. Lecture number 38. So in our last class, we have been discussed up to graphical representation of Legendre polynomial. I can say the part 4 of Legendre differential equation. That means just last class in your lecture number 37. So I suggest that before you have to watch this video, you just watch previous video first, then you go through this video. It will be better. You can understand. Okay. So up to this much we have been in detail we have been discussed. So what we found that this is your equation number 9, which is nothing but called as your y and x or p and x is called as the Legendre polynomials. So different n value we can get different orders of polynomials, Legendre polynomials. So for 0, this is 0 order polynomial will be 1. For 1 order polynomial means x to the power 1 is x. Second order polynomial means first order, this is second, means we can found half 3x square minus 1. I suggest that up to p4 you have to be remember. I told in the last video, because it will be easy to solve the problems whenever we are going to do in our preceding classes. You can at that time you can know that how much useful that you have to remember those things. Means I can suggest at least up to p4 you have to remember. Okay, so this is the p3 third order, p4, p5, p6. So with step by step we have been evaluated or extracted p3, and similarly this can you can check in your rough. So today in this class we are going to be discuss about Rodrigus formula for Legendre polynomials. The Rodrigus formula for Legendre polynomials can be obtained in the following manner. What is that? In which method? How we can found this Rodrigus formula? First, we have to consider the Legendre polynomials. The series form of the Legendre polynomial is this one. That is your belongs to equation number 9. That means first I consider the equation number 9. This one. Okay. Now, then what we done? See. Here n is any non-negative integer. Here n, small n is non-negative. It should not be, it should have to be always positive, right? The symbol n stands for R maximum, because up to R0 to up to R what it has to be considered, this n is going to be decided, and this n is going to decide depends upon also small n. That means the maximum value of n or maximum value of R is nothing but called as n. This n is nothing but called as the maximum value of R. So R max will be how much? N by 2 if n is even. R max will be n minus 1 by 2 if n is odd. That we have been in detail we have been discussed in our last two classes. So for Rodrigus formula, first we have been considered this equation number 9. Then the RHS of equation number 9 can be written in the suitable form. Okay, the RHS of the equation number 9. So this RHS can be written in another format. That format is nothing but called the Rodrigus formula. Okay, and from that formula we can also found the Legendre polynomials. First we have to find out the Rodrigus formula, then we have to go for the Legendre polynomials, how we can extract. So it is still that the RHS of equation number 9 can be written in the suitable form. Okay, now for that what we done, this is the extra things, that means this is the consideration, means according to binomial theorem, x square minus 1 to the power n will be equal to this much. Okay, that is minus r equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power r n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial into x to the power 2 into n minus r. This is according to binomial theorem, you know that one. Okay, now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So d by dx of x square minus 1 to the power n will be equal to how much? See, differentiate it. So this will be the constant. So n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Then x to the power, this is 2n minus 2r. 2 into n minus r. That means 2n minus 2r. The first derivative will be how much? 2n minus 2r minus 1 into 2n minus 2r. So 2n minus 2r into x to the power 2n minus 2r minus 1. Right? So second derivative of this one, or the second derivative of this one will be how much? See, minus 1 to the power n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial remains same. Then due to first derivative we got this one 2n minus 2r. For the second derivative this will be multiplied and then minus 1. 2n minus 2r minus 1 into x to the power 2n minus 2r minus 2. Right? Next, likewise, if we are going to consider dn x square minus 1 to the power n by dxn, then how much it will be? The first terms remaining should have to be there. See, minus 1 to the power n factorial, these are the first terms. Minus 1 to the power r n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial should be there first. Okay, these things. Then you can see here, sorry, here these things will be same always. You can see here, for the first derivative 2n minus 2r, for the second derivative 2n minus 2r minus 1, another term is added. For nth derivative will be how much? It will be 2n minus 2r into 2n minus 2r minus 1 up to n minus 2r plus 1. Okay, so now you can think that how it will be n minus 2r plus 1. I am showing to you, just carefully watch. Okay, wait 1 second, wait. See, here you can see here. See, for your difference for your first derivative. Okay, first derivative it is gone to 2n minus 2r minus 1, right? Minus 1, and the coefficient is 2n minus 2r, right? Okay, for the second derivative you just consider this coefficient 2n minus 2r, right? For the second derivative it is gone to 2n minus 2r into 2n minus 2r minus 2. That means this I can write, see, this is 2n minus 2r into this I can write 2n minus 2r. Okay, so here here n is how much? Here dn by dxn, we are considering dn by dxn. So here n is how much? Is 2, right? So I can write 2, sorry, minus 2 plus 1. Okay, here n is how much? 2. So obviously it will be how much? It will be 2n minus 2r minus 1. This will be this much. Okay, so in general how much we can write? 2n minus 2r, next 2n minus 2r minus 1 up to, in this format I have to write, instead of a 2 it will be, because if we are going to consider dn, so here d to the power 2 means d2 by dx2 I written 2. Similarly dxn by dn by dxn, instead of 2 what we are going to write? N. Okay, so it will be up to 2n minus 2r minus n plus 1, right? So this will be how much? N minus 2r minus 1. Okay, so only for that this will be up to n minus 2r plus 1 into x to the power 2n minus 2r minus n, because see, d2 by dx2 is x to the power 2n minus 2r minus 2. Here n is 2, here minus 2. Okay, here n is n, so it has to be minus n by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, now 0 to n minus 1 to the power r, these are the common, n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? So this will be how much? Okay, so here I mistakenly I not written, no, I correctly written, no problem. Okay, here I factorial. Okay, see, minus 1 the 1 to the power r n factorial divided r factorial n minus r factorial, these are the common. See here what I done, 2n minus 2r, 2n minus 2r minus 1 up to n minus 2r plus 1 up to n minus 2r plus 1. Here I multiplied n minus 2r factorial in the numerator. Here I forgot to write n minus 2r factorial at the denominator. Okay, you correct it. Then that implies dn x minus 1 to the power n by dxn is equal to r is equal to 0 to n. These are the common, no, minus 1 to the power r n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial, and we found that this much, this is nothing but is your how much, is 2n minus 2r factorial. Okay, here I forgot to write factorial, you just write it. 2n minus 2r factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial into n minus 2r factorial into x to the power n minus 2r into x to the power n minus 2r. Okay, but for Legendre polynomial, r not varies from 0 to n. R not varies from 0 to n. The r varies from 0 to r max, that is n. Okay, where n equal to n by 2 for n is even, n equal to n minus 1 by 2 for n is odd, right? Hence equation number 10, that means this equation number 10 is going to be change the limit r is equal to 0 to capital N. So equation number 10 will be equal to the nth derivative of x square minus 1 to the power n equal to 0 to n, r varies from 0 to n, this much, right hand side, whatever written. So here I again multiplied, or you can see in the left hand side we multiplied 1 by 2 to the power n by n factor. In the right hand side also we have to multiply 1 by 2 to the power n into n factorial. If we are going to multiply n factorial, so here see 2 to the power n factorial. Right hand side also I am going to multiply 1 by 2 to the power n factorial. So here n factorial, denominator also will be 1 n factorial. It got cancelled, only 2 to the power n r factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus 2r factorial, 2n minus 2r factorial into x to the power n minus r. Let it is equation number 11. By comparing equation number 9 and 11, now we have to compare the equation number 9 and 11. See, this is your equation number 9. You can see the right hand side of this equation number 9 is exactly same with the equation number 11. You got it? This is exactly same. Minus 1 to the r, 2n minus 2r factorial and x to the n minus r. Okay. Divided by 2 to the n r factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus 2r factorial. Okay. That means by comparing equation 9 and 10, that means right hand side of equation number 9 is exactly matched with equation number 10. So I can write this one. P and x will be equal to this much. So P and x equal to 1 by 2 to the n into n factorial into nth derivative of x square minus 1 to the power n. So this equation number 12 is called Rodrigus formula for Legendre polynomial. Using this formula, we can also evaluate the Legendre polynomials of different orders. So we have to check that it will be same or not whatever we found in other method. See, for n is equal to 0, that will be p0. So p0 1 by 2 to the 0, 0 factorial. So this is the 0th derivative, means it will be 1. 0th derivative of x square minus 1 to the power 1 should be equal to 1, will be equal to 1. And in this, from Rodrigus formula, we found p0 or 0th order of Legendre polynomial, we found 1. The first order polynomial means it will be 2 to the power 1, 1 factorial, 1 by 2 to the power 1, 1 factorial into first derivative of x square minus 1 to the power 1 means x square minus 1, x square minus 1. So this answer will be x. So first order Legendre polynomial, in this way from Rodriguez formula also we found x. Similarly, p2x, that means 2 to the power 2 factorial, double derivative of x square minus 1 to the power 2. If you can do it, you can found 1 by 2 3x square minus 1. These results also same whatever we found in that way from the general equation. From the general equation also we found p0x equal to 1. First order of Legendre polynomial, that is p1x equal to x, and p2x equal to half 3x square minus 1. So either way, either this way or by using Rodriguez formula, you can found Legendre polynomials. So similarly, p3x, you just pause the video and you can do it by yourself. p3x you can found same whatever we found previously in the general method, general formula, 1 by 2 px cube minus 3x. These things I done for you, but I suggest to all of you that you just do by yourself at least p4. At least p4 you just do by yourself, you check it, okay? And similarly p5 will be this much, p6 will be this much, whatever I written previously. So we have to stop over here this video. Next class we are going to discuss some problems by using, or some numericals by using Legendre polynomials. So up to here you go through this video perfectly, write down the notes. If you got any doubt, you can ask with me or discuss with me. Thank you so much for watching this video about Rodriguez formula. Thank you.